Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make a stabilized whipped cream using agar. You can see it is a very nicely stabilized cream. Let us see how to make it. I am using this agar powder. You can use any brand. Take 1 teaspoon of agar powder and 2 teaspoons of room temperature water. Mix it and keep it aside for 5 minutes. I am using 40% heavy whipping cream here. This is Dairy Gold brand. You can use any, but make sure it is more than 35% of heavy whipping, 35% fat heavy whipping cream. Now I am taking 1.5 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is chilled, and my pot and whisk are also chilled in deep freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. I am using powdered sugar, half cup powdered sugar, and sieve it. Mix this sieved powdered sugar into heavy whipping cream. Take 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in heavy whipping cream. And now we are ready to whisk it. You can use hand blender also. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. Whisk it on low to medium speed. Till that time, 5 minutes are already done. So I will microwave this agar and water mixture for 30 seconds. You can heat this agar and water mixture on gas also. Just make sure to get gelatinous texture as shown in the video. So after microwaving it, I will let it cool down till I can touch it with my finger. If it is touchable, then we are good to use it. Make sure agar is warm, not hot. Otherwise it will melt our whipping cream. So heavy whipped cream is whipped till soft peaks. Now here I will take 2-3 spoons of heavy whipping cream into agar. Mix it well so that agar and whipping cream will be mixed nicely, and agar will get stabilized and mixed nicely into the heavy whipping cream. And now let us add that mixture into whole heavy whipping cream. Now whisk it till you get the stiff peaks. Friends, this heavy whipping cream is very stable. You can keep the cakes on room temperature till 2 to 3 hours nicely, and whipped cream will be set. I have made this on summer day, and the whipped cream was very nicely set. Make sure to switch it off in between, and scrape all the sides of the bowl and whip it again, so that all the whipping cream will get whipped nicely. We are looking for stiff peaks. We are yet to get, so we will whip it again. Don't forget to check my new channel. It is Fun with Urja, where there are many kids videos uploaded every week. I have tried upside down bowl test, and whipped cream didn't fall off. You can see if I am turning my spatula down, then also whipped cream is not coming down. It means it is very nice and stable. Now you can use this whipped cream for making any sort of cakes. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share. And We'll meet you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.